So then friends, thought let's do a quick video of this new little bit of kit I bought. It's a Veritas honing guide that I've been after for a while. So I've got like this your standard little cheapo one. It's about £8. It's pretty good, but I have to modify it just to get the blade to sit well in it. Well, at least to even just grab the blade. But what's happening is because of the way it grabs the blade, it's sort of on a squiff like this. So my plain blade, instead of being like square at the end, is sort of kicked over at an angle, which it's not a problem because you can adjust it on the plane, adjust the angle of it. But yeah, I'd prefer it if it wasn't on the squiff. So I forked out for one of these fellas. Hopefully the build quality is a bit better. I think I paid £70 for this. You know, not a cheap bit of kit, but sometimes good stuff is not cheap. So yeah, let's have a look at it. I haven't even opened the box yet. It's from I got it from Axminster Tools. Yeah, I don't think they make it. I think Veritas is its own brand, but they sell all Veritas products. Axminster do. Let's have a look at what we got. We have a thing. I think this is what you use to set the depth of the stick out of the plane blade from the roller to get the correct angle by the looks of it. I am a machinist, so I'll be casting my machinist eye over the quality of work. Look like they've been punched out. That's okay. Knurling's good. Yeah, seems like a good quality piece so far. I see there's little divots. So there's a little pin. You see that fits into these little divots, which makes sense. 20 degrees. So I'm not sure how to use it yet. I'll have to watch a little video to figure that out. Must be something on the internet. Oh, there you go. It's wow. I'll be back in a second. I'll go fetch the other one to compare. Shazam! So this is the legs are stuck. This is the one I've been using. It works all right. I did my chisels with it as well, but again, I think they hold it on a squiff like this. So the leading edge of the business end, it's not square to the tool itself, which is mildly annoying. And I think it's because how the channels have been machined in here. Like if you can see here, I've had to run. This is where you put your chisels in, and I had to run like a round file, just so it actually grabs the corners of the chisel if it's in here. That sort of work, but you know, it's a bit of a bodge job really. The wheel's going rusty as well. I suppose I could put a bit of WD on that, but nonetheless, this is what you get for £9-10, something like that, and it's worked. However, bit of an upgrade. Like Mama Bear and Baby Bear. So yeah, again, all the parts seem to be well machined. This looks like a casting most likely. Yeah, and painted. So yeah, I've got absolutely no idea how to set it up, but we'll have a look at the instructions. I mean, that roller's got to be better already. It's a lot wider than this, so you should be able to get a more stable platform when you're doing it this way, you sort of got that. You only got about 10 mil of anti wobble on this sucker. So hopefully this will give a bit more of a precise setup. So yeah, that sort of goes in there. Roly. Alright, let's have a quick look at the instructions and I'll have a go at sharpening something, I reckon. Right, let's do some learning. So I don't know quite how well that worked. Still a bit of a crapshoot whether I do a good job of getting a good edge on it or not. It doesn't look great. Like you can see, like the micro bevel. It's definitely squarer on top, and I think I've got the camber over the edge as well. It doesn't feel as sharp as I've done it in the past. The micro bevel's not great either. To see it in the glistening. But the only way to find out if it works is to give it a go. So I'll go for a quick reassembly and do some planing, see if it's worked or not. That's the only true test, isn't it, I suppose? Like you can shave your arm to your heart's content with it, but if it doesn't actually cut any wood, you're a bit stuffed. This is my old faithful screwdriver palette blue scraper knife. I found this when this was in here when I moved in. It's definitely some kind of old kitchen knife that's had the end chopped off. But it's ace for doing random screwdriving kind of things. Right, how's this go together? Goes that way. And the thing. Before, when I was setting the plane up, because of the angle on the front of the blade, I had to move the lever like to its absolute maximum to get it to sit square. So we'll see this makes a difference or not. Okay, I'll just I'll get the plane set and we'll set you up for a planing shot. All right, then we'll just we'll give it a go on a bit of pine first, and then see if it cuts under the oak cherry. I need to sort some lighting out over this side. All right, so far so good. Look at that. Smooth as silk. I think we're on to a winner. That's like a bloody ribbon. Yeah, that's nice, that is. Look at that. Cool. Right, let's try some American cherry. See how it behaves on this. The pine's obviously a lot softer than cherry. I did sharpen it to 30 degrees. It says in the book that that's more suitable for hardwood. Let's see if I can adjust this a bit better. Still think it's cutting a bit too deep. So we'll try playing in the face next. To see how it handles flattening the face up. Oh, there we go. We've got the camber right or not. Yes, mate. It's playing in quite well. Little shavings. Oh, it's very satisfying. So that's worked quite well. Yeah, I don't know if it's because of the honing gauge or not. I mean, for the price point, you'd think it'd be better. Obviously, it's like 10 times as expensive as this one. But, you know, you'd expect it to be at least twice as good or twice as effective as getting a decent edge on the blade. Yeah, it's an exponential price increase though for a small amount of gain, but that's just how the world works, isn't it? I suppose you have to pay a lot more for a little bit better. Yeah, that's how it goes. Cool. Let's try a face. Try and square up a bit of flatten up a piece anyway. I'll tell you what, I'll use it on an actual piece I'm working on. This is just another roof section for the book house. I'll see how it handles on doing the face cuts, getting this flat. Okay, seems to be working quite well. Cool. I think I'm happy with that. I think if I sharpen it again and keep using the Veritas Honing guide, I think eventually it'll get better and better. You know, I've done this, I've sharpened it with this one about 4 times now, so that angle's probably still just about there, but other than that, solid purchase.